merhaba bano baby akun Jarden başın. İro müjarame heye hene tuneye tunene. Hello everyone, I hope you are all good. Today our subject is there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't in Kurdish. If you are ready, let's look at that subject. Yes, they are here. Heye means there is in English, and hene is the plural form, which means there are. And these are positive forms. So let's look at the negative forms of this. Tuneye means there isn't, and tunene means there aren't in Kurdish. If you want, let's look at the examples to understand better. Let's do it. Yes, the first one is heye, which means there is. Look at the example. It says Purtukek heye, which means there is a book. Purtukek heye, there is a book. As you see, there is ek at the end of the purtuk, which means book. Ek is me e in English, or one. We add this suffix at the end of the word. So purtukek heye means there is a book. Let's look at the other example. Psikek heye, which means there is a cat. Psikek heye, there is a cat. Let's look at the plural form of this positive statement. Yes, hene, which means there are in English. And look at the example, purtuk hene, which means there are books. As you see, purtuk is just purtuk. There is no any plural suffix with it, because in Kurdish you can understand it with the ending in the word verb. So hene is the plural form, so you can understand it means there are books. Let's look at the other example. When you use with a number, for example, char pisik hene, which means there are 4 cats. Char pisik hene, there are 4 cats. Here, as you see, we add a number, and also we don't add anything to the word pisik, because as I said, you can understand it from the suffix at the verb, which is hebun here. So hene it means. Okay, let's look at the negative forms of this. Yes, tuneye, which means there isn't. And look at the example, purtukek tuneye, which means there isn't a book. Purtukek tuneye, there isn't a book. Look at the other example, psikek tuneye, there isn't a cat. Psikek tuneye, there isn't a cat. Okay, so tuneye is negative form of it, there, and it means there isn't in English. Let's look at the plural form of negative form of this statement. Yes, the plural form is tunene, which means there aren't in English. And look at the examples, purtuk tunene, purtuk tunene. It means there aren't books. So, as I said, we don't add anything to the word here to make it plural, because we can understand it from the suffix at the end, the ending, from the ending word. So here, tune ne means plural. We can understand there aren't books. And look at the second example, se psik tunene. There aren't 3 cats. Se psik tunene. There aren't 3 cats. That's great. Today, that's all I will tell you. So take care of yourself.